Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Uber Eats driver account. So there are few steps that you should be following here to start creating your account. Now one of the first step that you should be doing here is to download the Uber driver app from the App Store or Google Play. Now for the step 2, you need to sign in or register. To register, you should be at least 18 years old, have a motorbike or car, and also a tip register using your full name and surname as it appears on your identification card or document to make it a lot easier for you. Now for next step, switch is step 3. You need to choose the city where you plan to operate. Now for step 4, select the type of vehicle you will use for delivery, so it includes motorbikes or car. Now for step 5, upload the necessary personal documents. Step 6, complete the safety screening, a crucial step to become a delivery driver for Eats. So instructions for scheduling your safety screening can be found in the document requirements. Step 7, upload your motor park or car documents to include the vehicle in your profile. Now step 8, once your documents are uploaded, they will be reviewed and approved. Your registration process will be completed and your account will be set up. So please note that activation may not be immediate as Uber Eats does not always add new couriers, so keep your contract details updated for future communication regarding demand in your area. Now step 9, you need an insulated delivery bag for the Uber Eats deliveries. You will receive a link. Purchase this bag when your account is ready and don't purchase the bag before reading instructions to do so. Now for step 10, after obtaining your delivery bag, your account will be fully activated within 24 to 48 hours and you will then be ready to receive orders and start earning. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.